So next day I asked you to complete 3 questions. I asked you to complete 3 questions on page 487, question A, B, and C. So what I'm going to do is go through them with you now, today, and yeah, we can do it. Then we'll do a quiz, and that'll be it today, pretty much. Okay. So let me share my screen with you. So first of all, that first question, we're going to do one kind of similar. I'm going to show you the best way to try answer a question like this, try to help you understand the best way to do it. Okay, so Hannah, help me with this first one. So when you look at year 1, year 2, year 3, what do you think the temperature is going to be in year 3?
I think the temperature in year 3 will be 10 degrees Celsius.
10 degrees? Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, I agree with you. And Susie, what do you think about the temperature in summer?
It's 25.
Okay, so 25. Yeah, cool. I agree with you. Okay, good stuff. And Emma, what do you think for autumn?
I think it is 30. I think it is 20.
Autumn, the weather in autumn is going to go 16, 15, 20.
20.
20. You think the autumn is going to go 16, 15, and then it's going to jump to 20? No, incorrect. Ocean.
It 14 degrees.
14 degrees. Yeah, I agree with you. 14 degrees sounds about right. No. And then in winter, Nikki.
I think the temperature is 12 degrees.
Winter, it's going to go 7, 8, 12. Oh, come on. Look at the pattern.
Túi không biết.
Parker.
Tắt điện thoại đi.
I am here.
Yeah, so 7, 8.
I think it's 9.
9. Okay, 9, probably about right. Okay. So let's do precipitation. What do you think the precipitation will be, Leo, in spring? We've had 2, 3. What do you think it will be in year 3? Average of 2 and 3.
I think it's
Come on, Leo. What do you think? It's between 2 and 3.
It's 2.
2. Great stuff. Cool. 2 makes sense. Great. And summer. Ming, what do you think it would be in summer? What do you think the average would be in summer?
I can see your screen.
And fix your computer. I don't know what's wrong. If you can't see my screen and everyone else can.
I think summer.
Yes. And what's the precipitation going to be in summer?
I think it will be 0.3.
0.3. Okay, 0.3. Sounds nice. Cool. And in autumn, Cindy.
I think is 1.
1. 3, 3.5, then 1. Does that make sense to you?
No. Wait me a minute. It's 3.
3. Yeah, cool. 3 sounds good. And then in winter, now. Now, come on. Sal, right, I'm going to give you one more chance. If you don't unmute yourself to answer my question, you're going straight into the waiting room. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool, thank you. Bye-bye, Sal. You can wait in the waiting room. Good stuff. Good job. Caroline, what's the answer, please?
I think it's 1.
Yeah, 1 makes sense. Good stuff. Cool. Good job. Okay. So again, Mingha.
Okay.
So Mingha, help me. What do you think the climate is in spring?
I think the climate is
So is it hot or cold?
it's hot.
Or mild? Hot, cold, or mild? 12 degrees is hot for you, is it? No, mild. Well done. Right. Mild. Great stuff. I don't know who that is. Whoever you are, change your name right now or you'll be removed. Thank you so much. Okay. That's so annoying. And Caroline, is it wet or dry?
Wet.
Wet. Wet. Cool. Good stuff. And in Hannah, what's the climate like for summer?
The climate in summer is hot and wet.
Hot and wet, yes. Hot, no, hot and dry. Right, hot and dry. Dry. And autumn, Susie, the climate is what?
Summer is cold and wet.
Okay, cold. I'm gonna say mild and wet, okay? Because 16 is not cold. It's cold everywhere. But anyway, so it's gonna say mild and wet. Okay, mild and wet. And then in last one, so winter. Okay. Emma. Emma, I'll give you 5 seconds or I'm going to remove you from this class. 5. Come on, let's answer.
It is called and
Cold and dry. Yes, cool. Cold and dry.
dry.
Yes, I would say cold and dry. Okay, so that is how I would encourage you all to look at these questions, okay? Break it down. Now, where did Xiao go? Who is Dot? Who is the Dot? Hello? Change your name right now. Oh, let's change your name immediately. Know who you are. You don't change your name, we'll remove you from this classroom. You get 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, bye-bye. Told you rules at the start of the year. Bye-bye. You can go to meeting room. Good job. Bye-bye. And cameras on now. Cameras on, or I'm going to remove you from this classroom. T.
So whose name is who is
Ha.
you?
I don't know. Who are you? Well, I changed their name to who are you because I did not know who they are. Okay, so when you look at this, you can see that it's mild and wet, hot and dry, mild and wet, cold and dry. Okay, what kind of climate zone do you think this is in, Hacker?
I think the climate is cold.
No, climate zone, Hacker. Pay attention to the question, climate zone. What climate zone is this in? B, I told you, put your camera on, do it again. I'm going to remove you from this classroom.
Use it again, I cannot hear.
Climate zone, Hacker.
The climate zones is tropical.
You think it's tropical, so it's got cold, wet summer, or cold, dry winters, and it's mild, wet spring. You think that's the tropical zone, yes? No, right. Leo, I have no idea what you're doing. Leo, what climate zone is this?
The climate zone is temperate zone.
Temperate zone, yes, good job, well done. Temperate zone, because you can see the summers are hot and dry, the winters are cold and dry, but they're mild and wet. So the temperature is probably mild and wet throughout the whole year, okay? Right. This is how I want you to answer this question. Think about what the question is asking you. Break it down with what you know, and then start filling in the information. Once you get the correct information, you can make appropriate decisions. So let's go through this one together. So everyone, have your books in front of you right now. Everyone, show me that you have your book.
I don't have a book, I do my homework on the computer.
Okay, do you have it written down on a piece of paper?
Yes.
Okay. So this
I
person,
down-
who are you? Who are you?
Down a piece of paper.
Great stuff, thank you. Hello. Mingha, camera on. Right, I don't know who this person is. Change your name, or I'm just going to remove you from the class completely. Not even put you in the waiting room.
That's
Great stuff. Yeah, I told you already, put your camera on. Four, three, two, and oh, there we go. Lucky you, nearly disappeared to the waiting room. Don't know who are you again. You can just, again, leave my class. I sent you a chat. You haven't responded to me. Goodbye. Okay. So again, correct any answers we get wrong. Make sure you're putting in the right answer. So help me with this, please. Caroline, the spring, temperature, and precipitation.
This time climate is
No, temperature and precipitation first, please.
temperature, I think, is about 13.5.
35, okay, 35, and precipitation?
Precipitation is 2.
2, great stuff, fantastic. Ocean. Now, camera on.
Linh
Ocean. Summer.
Hôm qua chị cũng hỏi nó là nó bảo chị chẳng còn nợ gì bên chị, bên các cái lô suất của mình không còn nợ lần gì mà hôm qua chị cũng đã
Ocean, I can't hear
update nó
anything.
liên tục, tất nhiên chị chat thôi.
Ocean, can you go somewhere quieter, please? Ocean, can you go somewhere quieter? I can't hear anything you're saying. Kung Ming.
I think it's 80.
80. Yeah, precipitation.
Precipitation 1.
Oh, makes sense to me. Thank you. And Cindy. Temperature, come on. Cindy, come on, where's your book? Let's go.
I think it's 38.
38, okay. And precipitation, let's go.
Is what? 1.
1. I'm going to say 2. Okay, and Nikki.
I think it is
mà quên hết kiến thức đến lúc đầu năm là sẽ làm một cái bài kiểm tra chất lượng mà mình sẽ quên hết
Mickey, I
kiến
can't
thức
hear.
thật là tệ, đúng không? Hãy chơi để tranh thủ chúng bạn ôn tập một chút. Rất là tốt, cảm ơn Ngân Hà. Tiếp theo Lê Minh Anh nào.
tắt tiếng đi.
Nikki, can you give me some answers, please?
Mr. Ray, can I say something to them?
Yes, please.
Bạn nào đang ngồi, bố mẹ thì đi ra ngoài một phòng riêng ạ. Thầy gọi mà cứ có tiếng bố mẹ vào, không ai có thể nghe được các con cả. Thầy cô đang nghe giọng của bố mẹ các con chứ không phải là đang nghe các con nhá. Okay, you can continue.
Okay, Dao, give me some answers, please.
I think it is
17.
17 and
17 and 2. 1.
yes, let's put 1. Right now, so you can tell me what they think. Mingha, what do you think the climate zone is? E, camera on.
I think the climate.
What did you write down? Show me your book.
My book is
So hold on. Okay, bye bye, Mingha. Go get your book. E, what did you write? E, I asked you a question. What did you write down? Where's your book? Where's your book? Where is your homework? G, show me your homework in front of the camera now, please.
But I write in a computer.
Okay, but so where's your homework? It's on the computer, but do you have it in front of you?
Yes.
Okay, so what's your answer? What climate zone is this?
This climate zone is
Read your answer. Read the answer. What did you write down? Read your answer. It's like one of 3 things. Let's go. Come on. Read it. I don't care if it's right or wrong. Doesn't make a difference. Just don't make me repeat myself 10 times to say one word. What climate zone is it? Or just leave the classroom completely. Fantastic. Caroline.
I measure if I compare between F and T, I think T is less than X. So this temperature, this time climate is cold and wet.
Okay. So what's the answer?
It's cold and wet.
Oh, oh. Okay. Okay. Hold on now. So you think it's cold and wet, right? I'm asking you a very simple question, right? I'm asking you what you think. Sorry, the computer's just frozen on me. What do you think climate zone is? Okay, what do you think the climate zone is? Make this easier. Make this polar zone. No, it's not polar. Let's change this, right? So let's just take some examples. Let's go, right, 38. 38, that's 3 degrees. We have 18, 26. Then we have, I think it was 16, sorry, 27, sorry, 37. And then we had 20. So these temperatures, Celsius, to help you are 3 Celsius, this is 28, this is 3, and this is -7. So there you go. That's in Celsius. When you look at these temperatures in Celsius, what can you see? Ocean, what can you see?
I can see
What climate zone?
is
Cold winters. No, tropical zone is warm all the time. That's not tropical zone. Leo.
It's a polar zone. I know it's a temperate zone.
Temperate zone, yes. So the answer is temperate. Temperate climate. temperate climate, temperate zone. Okay. Again, you have to make sure you change this to something you understand. I can guarantee a lot of you did not understand Fahrenheit, so you got the question wrong. Change it to Celsius to get the question correct. Understand? Right. Okay, question B. Which one describes climate? Whatever. Hacker, what's the answers?
My answer is A, B.
No. No. What is climate? Who can describe climate to me? Anna, what is a climate?
Climate is a long period of time that is
It's the weather over a long period of time, right? In one area. The weather over a long period of time in one area. So, Kwangming, look at these questions. Look at these answers, please. Which one describes weather over a long period of time?
I think it is the average daily rainfall and the
Yeah.
average daily temperature.
Yeah, cool. You are right. Whatever. Moving on, before I get annoyed. C. Which ones describe the climate change in some areas? In some areas. Cindy, we learned about this already. We learned about this recently enough. So what caused some change in some areas?
C is the melting ice release cool air in a region.
Okay, no, B is wrong, unfortunately. B is not correct. Melting ice does not release cool air. In fairness, if anything, melting ice releases cold water, not cold.
I think it's C. Volcano air blow out a lot of ash into the air. You wanna mute? You mute yourself. Yeah.
Now, C is right. What else is right? Now, I've asked you a question. I have to repeat myself in 5 seconds or remove you from the class.
Average.
So mountains,
area higher.
so mountains are temporary, are they? Mountains just stay there and then 20 seconds they go away. Or mountains stay there for a long time. Mountains stay in the one place for a long time. Yes or no? Oh, infuriating. Ha.
Đây chính là cái ba cái
Yes.
mà làm thay đổi khí hậu tự nhiên cô vẫn nói với các bạn ý trong tiết mình ôn tập ý.
Ha,
Ba cái yếu tố mà làm thời tiết thay đổi một cách tự nhiên ý.
Do mountains move?
Mountains don't move.
Mountains don't move. Oh, mountains don't move. So mountains can't move. So therefore, they're not temporary. So that answer is incorrect as well. Mountains don't move. Yes, they can increase altitude, which will change the climate, but it changes the climate all the time, not just temporary. Not just temporary. And okay, Hannah, what else is correct? Oh, sorry, Chi. Hand is up. Yes. Which else?
I think D.
Yes, D is correct. Lower temperatures in the Pacific Ocean definitely change it. Well done. Good job. Thank you. And Hannah.
And El Nino raises temperatures in the Pacific Ocean along Central and South America.
Good. Shade is incorrect as well. Okay, look, all of you, I'm going to need to say this to all of you. It is infuriating. It drives me crazy. It makes me quite angry. I have to say your name again. I have to say the question again. You know why I have to do that? Because it means that you are not listening, or you have distraction around you. You should not be in a loud place. You should be somewhere quiet. You should be paying attention. You should have your camera on. You should have your book ready to go. We're in school. This is a class. Camera on. This is a classroom. Act like it. Now, for your homework, what I want you to do is I will get Miss Lan to send you the lesson quiz for lesson 4, unit 7. And that will pretty much, oh no, I don't want that, silly Brian. And that will finish up this lesson. So what we'll then do is go through a review of everything you've learned in unit 7 so that you can do a test on it and we can move on and do something hopefully a little bit more interesting. So just remember, in this lesson quiz, there's going to be a question like this one that is going to be in Fahrenheit. Change it to Celsius. Literally just go to Google, type in Fahrenheit to Celsius. Here's a converter for you. Put in the temperature. It'll tell you what it is in Celsius, okay? That will help you with these questions. So what we'll do now is the quiz. Thank you. Everyone, please. Join myquiz.com. Go.
Can you give me the link?
In the chat already. Thank you.
Just use the link.
It's in the chat already.
When I get to the link, my camera will turn off.
Okay, fine. Thanks for letting me know.
Oh,
Me too.
Yeah.
I get to the link, my camera will turn off.
Yeah, like
Me
a camera
too.
camera has absolutely nothing to do with you joining in a certain quiz or not. So like if you want to tell me that lie and you want to believe that lie, go for it. I don't care. Like just as long as you're doing the quiz. I'm not going to be asking you questions during the quiz. I expect you to do the quiz. If I see that you're cheating or if I can see that you're going slow, then I know you're not doing the quiz. But anyone who tells me that camera turns off when they enter the quiz, it's not true. So as you wish.
But Mr. Ryan, I use an iPad, and when I go out the Zoom, my camera will turn off.
It shouldn't turn off. If it does turn off, then you've got some setting that makes it turn off. But there's no reason it should. There's literally no reason it should. Your Zoom will turn on as long as you allow the camera to be on. But basically, what's ever happened is that you have chosen that whenever you exit Zoom, the camera just turns off, which you can fix easy enough. I don't believe it. Okay, let's go. Hurry up, please. Let's go. Right, there should be one more person trying to join. Ricky, Mingha, Emma, Twitchy, Susie. I don't know who Melon Minderbender is, so you can disappear. You use your correct name or you don't use it at all. Leo, Ocean, Cindy. Let's go. Like, you can still join in, so hurry up, please. Again, if you don't, like, we probably won't get this finished. I won't get time to review it with you, so we will review tomorrow. Please make sure to do your homework, the lesson quiz that Ms. Lan will send to you. Please make sure that if you do the lesson quiz on a computer, you have your answers in front of you. It's very, very upsetting and kind of annoying to consistently ask the same thing. It should be in front of you. Read your answer. It's not hard. I don't care if it's right or wrong. The point is, if it's wrong, I can tell you what the right answer is. If it's the right answer, I can go, yay, you got the right answer. Woo. It's called teaching, not being right. Okay, good job, Hannah. Good job, Cindy, so far. Well done. Now, I would advise you to slow down. Hannah, well done. 11 questions right so far. Woo! Gonna say anything? Bad, right? Bad. Wow. Okay, right, everyone, I'm going to get this quiz sent to you so you guys can practice because you need practice by the looks of it. Okay, everyone, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Keep going. Finish the quiz. I'll know if you finished or not because I'll be able to check the report. Bye. See you later. Have a good day. Bye.